Most of them, talking about my onions now, have turned brown and fallen over, especially on this side. I might let those three stay a little longer, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull these. Oh, how special. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Whew. Get this soil off here. All right. All right, so now I have cut off the tops, the part that would have been green, and you shouldn't wash them before they get cured. So I just knocked off excess soil and left the rest on there, and they're gonna sit here on this paper towel in my shed for between 2 to 4 weeks, depending on how long it takes for them to cure or dry out.